Hey guys, this is HP DESKJET 3700 series. This printer and laptop are connected together using USB cable. I received a question. Someone asked how to scan document from this printer to computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and the laptop are connected either via Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. So in this case, both are connected using USB cable. Now you need to stick the document you want to scan on top. The scanner for this printer is here, so you need to make sure the document is there. Now the next thing you need to do is we need to go to HP Smart App. This printer and laptop are connected via HP Smart App and it's showing us ready. So the printer is ready and this HP Smart App. So you need to select scan from the list. So once you stick the document you want to scan on top, then the next you need to do is you need to select scan. So select scan. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to select source, and it's showing us document feeder. Then you select preset is document. If you are scanning photo, then you select photo. So from the settings and preset document, page size A4 paper, output, you select colored. Resolution, the maximum is 600 dpi. You select 300 dpi for instance. Then the next thing you need to do is you select scan. And this is the document scanned. If you want to print this document out, then you select print. If you are not happy with it, you can also select delete it. You can select plus to add a second document. To take the document, put it on the scanner. Now select scan. Okay, this is the document. We scan 2 pages. If you want to save this document, then you select save and select PDF. Then select save. You decide where you want to save this document. You can select save it in the documents and select save. It will tell you your file has been saved. Now if you want to print this document out, you select print. You wait for the printer to be ready. Now you select print. You scroll from the list and select the correct printer. Select portrait, select photo paper. Now scroll down full page, and the next is 1 page for photo. You can also select more settings. More setting, then you scroll down, select A4 paper. You select actual size, A4 paper, actual size. You select 100%. The next thing you need to do is quality. You select 600 or 300 or 1200 dpi. Then you select print. So now we're going to print this document full page. Now this is the first one. Then go back in. Then put the document back inside for you to print the second document on the back. So select continue. This is the document you printed out. Welcome. Thank you very much. This is how to scan your document from HP DESKJET 3700 series to your laptop, and also print this document out double-sided. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.